What do you got, buddy?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Is it dessert?
Yes, ice cream.
Is it good, buddy?
Good to make it.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Like it.
Yeah. See, Paigey. Paigey, what do you have?
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Ice cream and apples. Is it good? Do you like it?
I like it.
Yeah. How's it taste?
That's good.
Tastes good? Will mommy make it again?
Okay.
Okay. Let's see brother again. How's that ice cream, dude?
Ice cream.
Yeah, how is it?
Very good.
Very good?
Yeah.
Your sister's slurping hers. Ooh, big bite. Ah, good job.